So this kind of cases, doctor, we have again three aims are there for the stroke and TIA counseling because these patients are already confused. So we are going to explain them. We are going to explain the diagnosis in accessible language or simple language. Okay, we are going to address the prognosis and its secondary prevention, and we are going to check patients' understanding and concerns. Okay, so doctor, in our thing, as I think one of the doctor she did this case, and we are going to check the patient baselines and concern. Can you tell me what do you understand about what happened? Okay, or what worries you the most at the moment? Means like say we will be knowing how much patient knows. Okay, we are going to explain the diagnosis in simple terms. Like for the stroke, doctor, we can say that stroke happens, Mr. Khan, when the blood supply to the part of your brain is suddenly cut off, usually by the clot or sometime a bleed. The area of the brain is damaged, which causes symptoms like weakness and speech problem. Mr. Khan, are you getting me? And for the TIA, doctor, patient already know that this is mini stroke, but still you say to Mr. Khan, as you know that this is a mini stroke where the blood flows to the part of your brain is briefly blocked, causing symptoms that recover fully within 24 hours. And it is a warning signs that your risk of full stroke is higher. Are you getting Mr. Khan? So Mr. Khan will say yes. We are going to link the symptoms to the event. We are going to explain how their specific symptom fit with the area of brain affected. Investigation, doctor, mostly done. But if there is no investigation done and patient came for the follow-up after a long time, so we are going to briefly summarize if there is a scan report with him or her, or any heart test, or some sort of blood test. It was done before or need to be done. Sometimes there is a hidden agenda. They will be taking the medication. They might be having poor blood pressure control. Either they are having improper taking of antiplatelets and anticoagulants, and sometimes patient is not taking cholesterol, this statins. Okay, and sometimes patient will be having agenda, having poor control of the diabetes. Okay, yes, for the lifestyle, doctor, as usual, smoking cessation, alcohol moderation, and diet, exercise, and weight and sleep always mandatory. So we have to talk about that. Now, doctor, many patients come with concern of driving and work. Doctor, I don't know how to drive and when to drive, and whether I'm eligible to drive or not. Whether can I go to the work or not? So we have to outline the driving restriction, follow the local guidelines again, and typically require the informing licensing authority if still he or she is driving with a different rules of for the strokes versus TIA. Okay, because we call it Group 1 and Group 2 licenses are there as international guidelines is. Okay, and we are going to discuss the phased return to the work and rehabilitation program. If patient is not gone through any rehabilitation, we are going to book for him for rehabilitation. And we are going to explain about recovery. We can say like, say, Mr. Khan, your recovery can continue over the months, Mr. Khan. I can understand your concern that you want to go back to the work, but at the moment, Mr. Khan, you are not fit for the work. As you see that your work is as your civil engineer, you have to work on the heights, so it's not possible for you, Mr. Khan. Are you getting me, Mr. Khan? Okay, you're going to signpost to the physiotherapy, occupational therapy, if patient having speech problems, speech therapy, and stroke nurse or stroke specialist or doctor, and support groups. Okay, red flag advice, doctor. We are going to reinforce fast symptoms. Okay, facial drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, time to call emergency services. Any sudden new neurological symptoms, call emergency service urgently. Now you have to check patient's understanding and questions. What question do you have about what we have discussed? This is the most important part in the counseling. Okay, and if you're running short of time, again hint, there will be one blank paper on the there. just say assume this. This is assume. Okay, you're going to say, Mr. Khan, I'm giving you this written information about your TIA or stroke. Education. Please read. If you have any questions and query, please come back to us. So, doctor, it will be very simple and pretty nicer way. This is about doctor TIA and stroke. Any questions? Any queries, doctor?